Hello, this is Senko, WTP Commander, and I wanted to tell you guys, thank you, like, TY, and I'm about to tell you why I'm TYing you guys, is because I finally reached my goal of video views, which is up over 1,000, and I have 1,071 video views. This is gonna reach my goal to get, I can finally get sponsored soon, I'm gonna need to get higher, but I still need to reach a couple more basic goals. I have 11 subscribers right now, which I guess is okay. Well, not that okay, but I need to make it higher. And also, I do have only 210 channel views, which I need to make 1,000 also. So, what I what I'm trying to expect is 35 subscribers and 400 channel views by Monday. Yep, by Monday. So, hope that can happen. I really hope so. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to guys tell you, thank you, and well, come back. Don't leave. Don't leave. Baby, come back. You can blame it on me. Okay, you're back. Thank you for everything. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Thank you for everything, guys. I really appreciate it. And make sure if you can, um, tell all your friends and stuff like that. Check out my channel, subscribe, and all that stuff. And I hope, I just hope so, I can get the stuff up. Alright, thanks. Have a nice day.